what? We can't.
See. Maybe we got just know you guys heard Mama called the doctor. Mark said like no more monkeys from the bed. He actually camera on?
No.
Fine. He didn't like cameras when he's cranky. He jumped off the bed and my Sifo hurt my brother. Yeah. So yeah. He's okay, but you know, Mom left. So yeah, she's coming back. I don't know where she went. So yeah. Yeah, guys. So everybody, clap your hands. Hello, this is the Puppet Show, and today we are going to do puppets. I come right back. You do. Okay, I'm back. Hold on, I'm putting on the tuxedo. Hold on. Okay. Oh God, so hard to put in. Okay. There's two of us, by the way. Okay. Hello, and I'm David. And just kidding. I'm Jeff. And I'm named person. So what are we going to do today? Unknown person? Well, we're doing the puppet show. So basically, what in puppet show? So Yusuf gonna do some contests, like some stuff. If he does it right, like he's doing truth or dares. So if he goes it right, he gets a point. He's doing truth or dares. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna talk to Yusuf about truth or dare. Yusuf, can you do truth or dare? What? Fine, tell them I'll do it. Okay, he is gonna do it. So let's move out the way. Started. Excuse me. I'm supposed to say that. I'm a commander guy, and we have some issues over here. Hey, stop fighting! Oh God! Oh, guys, this told me how to do this truth or dare thing. Let's do it. Truth or dares. Okay. Okay. Truth. I'm doing dare to myself. So dare. Like this is going to be part 2. So yeah, guys. Hold on. So tell us in the comment below next video which truth or type in a truth or dare. What should Yusuf do? Yeah, like what kind of like truth or dare? Like just say like truth, blah blah blah, or like dare, blah blah blah. Yeah. So, comment down below and stuff. Yeah. And then Yusuf will be right back. He's getting some donuts for me and himself. Jello donuts, my favorite. He got the sparkles, like the sprinkles, and the pink donuts off the frosting. So, peace, love, and pugs. Can't end the video. These sucks. Okay, so bye.